In the ever-evolving landscape of online business, choosing the right platform can be a make-or-break decision. Two popular contenders, Shopify and Kofi, offer distinct approaches to selling online. Shopify stands tall as a comprehensive e-commerce giant, empowering businesses to build robust online stores. Kofi, on the other hand, presents a more intimate platform, catering specifically to creators looking for a simple way to monetize their work. Shopify provides a full suite of tools to manage every aspect of an online store, from product listings and inventory management to secure payment processing and marketing integrations. Its robust analytics dashboard provides valuable insights into customer behavior, sales trends, and marketing campaign performance. This data-driven approach makes Shopify ideal for businesses aiming for significant growth and scalability. Kofi takes a more streamlined approach, focusing on ease of use and direct support from fans. Creators can set up simple Kofi shops to sell digital products, memberships, or even physical goods. The platform shines with its Kofi button, allowing fans to make one-time donations or recurring coffee payments to support their favorite creators. This direct fan-to-creator interaction makes Kofi perfect for artists, writers, musicians, and other creators, building a loyal community. Choosing between Shopify and Kofi ultimately depends on your specific needs and goals. Do you envision building a large-scale online business with a wide range of products and a focus on growth? Shopify's comprehensive features and data-driven approach might be your ideal solution. Or are you a creator seeking a simple and direct way to connect with your audience and monetize your passion? Kofi's user-friendly interface and focus on fan support could be the perfect fit for you. In the dynamic world of online business and content creation, choosing the right platform can be a game changer. Shopify, with its robust features and data-driven approach, emerges as the powerhouse for businesses looking to establish a strong online presence and achieve sustainable growth. Its comprehensive tools and integrations cater to businesses of all sizes, empowering them to navigate the complexities of e-commerce with confidence. On the other hand, Kofi's simplicity and creator-centric model make it the ideal choice for artists, writers, musicians, and other creative individuals seeking a direct and personal way to monetize their work and connect with their audience. Its ease of use, focus on fan support, and commission-free model empower creators to focus on their craft while building a loyal following. The ultimate choice between Shopify and Kofi depends entirely on your unique needs, goals, and aspirations. By carefully considering your budget, long-term vision, and the specific features that matter most to you, you can confidently select the platform that will best support your journey to online success. Whether you choose the comprehensive power of Shopify or the creator-centric simplicity of Kofi, remember that the most important factor is finding the platform that empowers you to thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape.